Think you know your car? Think again. These gadgets are redefining convenience, safety, and style on the road. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out. Portable water system. Imagine having a full-pressure shower anywhere. No hoses, no complicated setup. The Roofinity portable water system hides a built-in electric pump and shower head inside a single compact unit. Just fill it up, press one button, and a steady, high-pressure stream is ready instantly. Whether you're on a road trip, camping deep in the backcountry, or enjoying a beach day, this system replaces clunky gravity bags and dirty jugs. Its 20-liter tank and award-winning mini pump make it effortless to stay clean on the go. Fill it, stash it in your car, and press for instant flow anywhere your adventure takes you. Roofinity Insight Drive. Struggling to spot pedestrians or hazards in the dark? Blinding high beams, heavy rain, or thick fog can make night driving dangerous. Roofinity Insight Drive changes everything. Using advanced thermal imaging, it doesn't rely on light at all. It detects heat signatures, letting you see people, animals, and vehicles long before they become a threat. Whether it's a pitch-black night, a foggy morning, or a downpour, Insight Drive gives you unmatched visibility and peace of mind. Drive smarter, safer, and with confidence, no matter the conditions. Cam Omni. Meet Cam Omni, your car's ultimate all-around guardian. Combining trusted features from past models with cutting-edge tech, it delivers complete 360-degree coverage. Smooth 360-degree rotation, powered by precision two-phase stepping motors, and a wide 140-degree lens eliminate all blind spots. Its advanced AI parking surveillance detects and tracks suspicious people around your vehicle, following their movements even when you're away. Omni's smart collision detection algorithm instantly identifies the direction of any accident and records 30 seconds of crucial footage afterward, giving you clear evidence when it matters most. With Cam Omni, your car gets non-stop, all-around protection day and night. EWITGO. Stay powered up on the go with the EWITGO retractable car charger. This compact device charges up to 4 devices, fast and tangle-free. It comes with 2 retractable cables, a 20-watt USB-A for Apple devices and a 30-watt USB-C for Android, each extending up to 31.5 inches and retracting neatly when not in use. With a total of 72-watt power, EWITGO rapidly charges smartphones like the Samsung Galaxy S23 or iPhone 14, reaching 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Its compact design, 50% smaller than before, fits perfectly in tight car spaces while remaining compatible with all major smartphones. Headrest Safe. Keep your valuables and firearms safe without sacrificing style with the Headrest Safe bundle. Designed to seamlessly match your vehicle's interior, this bundle includes both driver and passenger headrests for a clean, factory-installed look. Access is quick and reliable with 3 secure options: biometric scan, keypad entry, or traditional hard key. Now, your important items stay protected, yet always within easy reach when you need them most. Car door lock. Protect your vehicle with the car door lock. Crafted from durable 18-gauge steel and reinforced with a 16-gauge door and steel locking mechanism, designed for serious security, it keeps your car safe without compromising style. Built to meet strict OEM safety standards, including FMVSS 202 and 302, this lock combines reliability, compliance, and peace of mind. Stylish, secure, and engineered to protect your car and passengers, the car door lock is the perfect upgrade for anyone who values safety without the headache of complicated installation. Car Safety Hammer. Be prepared for any emergency with the Sinnen Car Safety Hammer, a complete 16-in-1 vehicle safety and survival tool. It features a tungsten steel window breaker, sharp seatbelt cutter, rescue alarm, and multiple lighting modes to help you escape and signal for help quickly. The front light offers high, medium, and flash settings, while the side light includes an SOS strobe beacon to attract attention fast. Stay powered with dual charging options, solar or USB, and even use it as a mobile power bank for your phone or tablet. A high-strength magnet lets you attach it to your car or any metal surface for hands-free use, making it ideal as a warning or repair light. Compact, powerful, and life-saving, the Sinnen Car Safety Hammer is an essential tool every vehicle should have. Telematics System. Telematics combines telecommunications and informatics to share vital information over distances, blending technologies like phone networks and computer systems. Today, it's most commonly used in commercial fleet vehicles, transforming the way businesses monitor and manage their operations. Using wireless devices or black box technologies, telematics systems collect and transmit data on vehicle usage, maintenance needs, and servicing. This real-time information helps fleet managers track vehicle health, schedule timely maintenance, and optimize overall performance. By integrating fleet management software, companies can boost productivity, reduce downtime, and increase profitability, all by gaining instant insights into their fleet operations. With a telematics system, managing vehicles becomes smarter, safer, and more efficient, giving businesses the edge they need on the road. Valo Imagine Demo Car. The Valo Imagine Demo Car is a groundbreaking collaboration between French auto parts maker Valo and German audio expert Sennheiser. Unveiled at CES 2024, this concept car redefines driving by creating a personalized cocoon of comfort and well-being. Inside, gesture-responsive projection modules and advanced audio systems deliver a fully immersive sound experience. Passengers can customize their space by displaying personal information like schedules or weather directly on the headrests, which also feature built-in speakers. Backed by 5 patents, the Valo Imagine isn't just a vehicle, it's a visionary glimpse into the future of automotive comfort, technology, and design, showing how cars can evolve from transportation into personalized, immersive experiences. ARB Jack. The ARB Jack is a powerful, yet compact hydraulic jack built for serious off-roaders. Weighing just 23 pounds, it can lift up to 2 tons with smooth, half-inch increments for precise control. Its 360-degree rotating body makes positioning effortless, even in tight or challenging spots. For added stability, an optional jack base support can handle up to 7 tons, preventing the jack from sinking into soft or uneven ground. Combining strength, precision, and convenience, the ARB Jack is an essential tool for any off-road adventure, giving you the confidence to tackle rough terrain with ease. VASG Series. Take your outdoor adventures to the next level with the VASG Series 18-liter water tank. Mounted externally, it keeps your vehicle's interior dry and spill-free, ensuring your bedding and gear stay clean and protected. Designed for quick water access, it features a 2-way auto breather and a tap outlet with Quick Connect compatibility for full-flow water delivery. Refilling is effortless on the go and works with standard garden hoses. Customize your setup with optional hoses or a magnetic faucet kit for added convenience. Tough webbing straps make carrying simple and comfortable, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The VASG Series water tank is the reliable companion every adventurer needs, delivering dependable water access wherever your journey takes you. Roll and Jack. The Roll and Jack is a game-changer for Jeep owners, making hardtop removal and storage easier than ever. It assembles in just 10 minutes and allows a single person to safely handle the entire process, from unboxing to rolling the hardtop into the garage. With an adjustable height range of 56 to 86 inches, it adapts perfectly to your space, providing maximum convenience. Designed for Jeep enthusiasts who struggle with heavy or awkward hardtops, the Roll and Jack combines affordability with smart, practical design. Whether you're upgrading for off-road adventures or simply storing your hardtop, this tool makes the process safe, simple, and efficient, boosting your vehicle's versatility without breaking a sweat. EVO LED Driving Lights. These LED driving lights are designed to dramatically improve your visibility after dark, lighting up the road ahead so you can spot obstacles and wildlife before it's too late. Ideal for off-road enthusiasts tackling challenging trails at night, they deliver powerful, focused illumination with a comfortable color temperature, reducing eye strain while keeping your path clear. With enhanced brightness and coverage, nighttime driving becomes safer, more confident, and far more enjoyable, whether on remote trails or dark country roads. Heavy-duty pneumatic jack. Advanced pneumatic lifting systems make raising vehicles safer and more efficient than ever. Using compressed air, they lift cars, trucks, and other heavy vehicles smoothly, minimizing physical effort and reducing accident risks. Built for strength and stability, they handle significant loads, making them perfect for workshops, garages, and roadside emergencies. Many include precise controls for gradual lifting and lowering, along with compact, mobile designs for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. Quick to set up and reliable in performance, these systems save time during repairs or maintenance while reducing strain. They provide secure, efficient support for all heavy-duty lifting tasks. Vevor Electric. Modern electric tools have transformed how we handle heavy-duty tasks, combining power, efficiency, and convenience in one system. Designed for reliability, these machines can perform demanding jobs quickly while reducing physical effort and fatigue. Many feature precise controls for smooth operation, ensuring tasks are completed safely and efficiently. Compact and durable, they are suitable for workshops, garages, and home projects alike, offering both mobility and long-lasting performance. With built-in safety features and easy setup, these electric systems save time and effort while delivering consistent results. They make complex tasks manageable, turning challenging jobs into smooth, stress-free experiences for every user. Zip Charge. Range anxiety is a real concern for electric vehicle drivers, and this portable charging system tackles it head-on. It delivers an emergency boost of 20 to 40 miles in just 30 to 60 minutes, ensuring you're never stranded without power. Charge progress can be tracked directly from your phone, so there's no need to wait around. Built-in GPS tracking and anti-theft features keep it secure, while its 30-pound design with wheels and a handle makes it easy to move. This system transforms EV ownership, turning range limitations into manageable situations, much like carrying spare fuel in a gas-powered vehicle. Ultra Glaco Soft. When heavy rain makes driving difficult, this water-repellent solution acts like your best co-pilot. It forms an ultra-durable fluorine film that is 6 times stronger than standard products, ensuring clear visibility even in the harshest storms. Lotus leaf effect technology causes water droplets to slide off the windshield effortlessly, keeping it free from grease, dirt, and residue. A single application can last up to a full year, resisting both windshield wipers and detergents. Perfect for drivers who want a safer, clearer view of the road, it transforms your driving experience, providing confidence and improved visibility in any weather. BATOCA Polisher. Achieve a showroom-worthy shine without the hassle of plugs or cables with this lightweight, portable, dual-action polisher. Ergonomically designed, it makes polishing smooth and almost therapeutic while protecting your car's paint. Its brushless motor delivers quiet, long-lasting power, and dual 2.0 amp-hours lithium batteries allow continuous work. One charges while the other runs. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms and featuring a 5mm random orbit, it's ideal for both beginners and meticulous detailers. With stable, consistent performance, it ensures professional-level results effortlessly, giving your vehicle a flawless finish every time, while making the entire process easier and more enjoyable. Velcro Storage Bag. Keep your vehicle organized and clutter-free with this versatile Velcro mesh storage bag. Perfect for securing items like tools, bottles, or even a fire extinguisher, it turns chaotic spaces into neat, accessible storage. Made from ultra-resistant double-layer mesh with reinforced edges, it withstands daily use without losing shape. Strong Velcro adhesion ensures the bag stays firmly in place, even in tight corners or on uneven surfaces. Available in multiple sizes, it fits seamlessly in trunks, back seats, or other spaces, preventing items from rolling around. This practical solution keeps your car tidy, organized, and visually appealing, no matter the journey. EANOP Projector. This advanced driving accessory takes your vehicle experience to the next level. Acting as more than just a mirror, it displays real-time car information speed, RPM, and more on a sleek, futuristic glass interface. Compatible with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, it allows seamless access to navigation, music, and apps without cables. An integrated FM transmitter lets you connect your favorite tunes directly to your car's audio system effortlessly. Combining safety, convenience, and entertainment, this smart device keeps important data visible while enhancing connectivity, giving every drive a high-tech, modern feel and ensuring both functionality and style on the road. ATEPGE Aroma Diffuser. Bring the relaxing ambiance of home into your car with this aroma diffuser. Combining a cool mist humidifier with aromatherapy, it creates a soothing atmosphere while driving or waiting in traffic. Quiet operation ensures a calm experience, while its cup-shaped design fits perfectly in your car's cup holder without taking up space. USB powered with smart Bluetooth control, It lets you adjust scent intensity from your phone. Compatible with essential oils and featuring automatic modes, it's made from high-quality aluminum and PP for durability and style. Available in titanium, silver, or gold, it transforms every journey into a premium, relaxing experience. Baseus AP02 Vacuum Cleaner. This multifunctional car cleaning device goes beyond a standard vacuum. Combining a vacuum, inflator, air pump, and blower, it's ready for any on-the-go emergency. Its turbocharged 54,000 revolutions per minute motor delivers 5,000 pascal suction power, ensuring even the tiniest crumbs are removed from seats and carpets. A washable, high-density HA filter traps fine particles and is easy to maintain. The ergonomic T-shaped design fits comfortably in your hand, while its compact body allows convenient storage. Built from heat-resistant, durable materials, this all-in-one tool keeps your car spotless and makes cleaning effortless, efficient, and reliable every time. Xiaomi Mini Air Pump. Inflating tires has never been easier with this next-generation mini air pump. Compact yet powerful, it inflates 25% faster than previous models and includes a dedicated mode for electric scooters. A quick connect adapter and built-in bright light make nighttime or emergency use simple and safe. One full charge can inflate up to 10 tires, supporting pressures up to 150 pounds per square inch. Its smart system automatically stops when the perfect pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. Weighing just 490 grams, this portable pump fits effortlessly in a backpack, car, or anywhere you might need it, combining convenience, speed, and reliability in a small package. KWHUD GPS. Experience driving like a futuristic movie with this HUD head-up display GPS. It turns your windshield into a smart screen, projecting speed, direction, and a digital compass directly in your line of sight, so you never take your eyes off the road. Automatic brightness adjustment ensures clear visibility in any lighting, day or night. An overspeed alarm alerts you when you exceed limits, helping avoid fines and surprises. Easy USB connectivity makes setup simple, while its compact design keeps your dashboard clutter-free. Combining safety, convenience, and a high-tech feel, it enhances every journey and keeps you informed at a glance. Pionray Universal Radio. Upgrade your car's entertainment system with this universal replacement stereo. Its 11.26-inch HD screen brings a modern look while supporting wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to access music, maps, calls, and apps directly from your phone without cables. Additional features include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, SD card input, a 180p front camera, and rear view support, all integrated into a single device. Installation is simpler than traditional 1DIN or 2DIN systems, letting you set it up yourself in minutes. Combining convenience, connectivity, and style, this all-in-one device transforms your car's dashboard into a high-tech hub for every drive. Upgrade your ride and stay ahead on the road. Subscribe now for more must-have car gadgets.